Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English in 24. Today, we're going to practice a long, real-life English conversation at the supermarkets. This lesson is perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. You'll learn useful vocabulary, common expressions, and natural conversations that you can use in everyday life. Don't just listen. Repeat every sentence after the speakers. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Let's begin. A day at the supermarket. Good morning, David.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing very well. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. What are your plans today?
I need to go to the supermarket.
Really, I need to go too.
Great, let's go together.
That's a good idea.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I always make one.
That's smart. It helps you save money.
Exactly.
How do you usually go shopping?
I usually walk.
Is the supermarket close?
Yes, it's only 10 minutes away.
That's convenient.
What about you?
Sometimes I drive.
Driving is faster.
Yes, but walking is healthier.
I agree.
We can also talk while walking.
That's true.
Here we are.
The supermarket looks busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping.
Let's get a shopping cart.
Good idea.
Do you need vegetables?
Yes, I need tomatoes, onions, potatoes, and carrots.
I also need lettuce.
Fresh vegetables are important.
They are healthy. Look at these apples.
They look fresh.
How much are they?
They are $2 per kilogram.
That's a good price.
Let's buy some bananas too.
I love bananas.
Do you like oranges?
Yes, especially orange juice.
I'll buy some grapes as well.
They look delicious.
We need milk.
I prefer low-fat milk.
I like whole milk.
Do you eat yogurt?
Yes, every morning.
What flavor do you like?
Strawberry.
Mine is vanilla.
Let's buy cheese too.
This bread smells wonderful.
Fresh bread is the best.
I'll buy 2 loaves.
I need hamburger buns.
Do you like croissants?
Yes, especially with coffee.
I'll buy 4 croissants.
What meat do you usually buy?
Chicken.
I prefer beef.
Fish is also healthy.
Yes, I eat fish twice a week.
That's a good habit. Do you buy frozen vegetables?
Sometimes.
They are convenient.
Yes, especially when I'm busy.
Frozen pizza is popular.
But homemade pizza is better.
Do you need water?
Yes.
I also need orange juice.
I'll buy apple juice. Do you eat chips?
Only sometimes.
What about chocolate?
I love dark chocolate.
Cookies are my favorite snack.
Mine too. I need laundry detergent.
I need dish soap.
Don't forget toilet paper.
Thanks for reminding me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $92.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
That was easy.
Yes, we bought everything.
Thank you for coming with me.
You're welcome.
Let's do it again next week.
Sure.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Vocabulary. Shopping cart. A large basket on wheels that you use to carry items while shopping. Grocery store. A store where you buy food, drinks, and household products. Vegetables. Edible plants such as carrots, tomatoes, onions, and spinach. Fruits. Sweet foods that grow on trees or plants such as apples, bananas, and oranges. Bread. A baked food made from flour, water, and yeast. Milk. A white drink that comes from cows and other animals. Cheese. A dairy food made from milk. Yogurt. A creamy dairy food made by fermenting milk with healthy bacteria. Chicken. The meat of a chicken commonly eaten as food. Beef. The meat that comes from a cow. Fish. An animal that lives in water, or the meat from that animal. Frozen food. Food that is kept at a very low temperature to stay fresh. Juice. The drink made from the liquid of fruits or vegetables. Snacks. Small amounts of food eaten between meals. Cookies. Small, sweet, baked treats made with flour, sugar, and butter. Chocolate. A sweet food made from cocoa beans. Cashier. The person who takes your payment at a store. Receipt. A paper or digital record showing what you bought and how much you paid. Credit card. A card you use to pay for purchases with the money charged to your account. Discount. A reduction in the original price of an item.
Congratulations! You have just completed today's English conversation practice. Keep practicing every day because consistency is the key to speaking English fluently. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English in 24 for more real-life English conversations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and keep practicing English every day.
Congratulations! You have just completed today's English conversation practice. Keep practicing every day because consistency is the key to speaking English fluently. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Learn English in 24 for more real-life English conversations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and keep practicing English.